In this video we will calculate curve number CN value, right? So first of all we need to add our project site over here. Just think we have the sorry all right, these we have basins, right? So first of all we need to install curve number plugin. Okay, this one is plugin panel, so you just need to type CN, this CN curve number generator plugin you need to install. I have already installed, you just need to install it. All right, then you just need to install also one more thing, area weightage average plugin. So you just need to Google it, area weightage average plugin. Okay, just need to click one here. Okay, and download this Watershed as a zip file, right? You have downloaded this one. Now you need to go back, then just installation from zip folder, then select your zip folder and click on install plugin. So I have already installed it, so you just need to click on and install this area. Alright, then you just need to click on the processing tools, then toolbox, then type CN curve number, CN. Alright, we have this one, we have already this curve number, so this is where we are going to use curve number generator global ESN override. Double click on this. Okay, select your project site, we have some basin area, then just click on template file you need to save it. Just save it your HSG hydrologics soil group, and this will be your curve number, and this will be your curve number in vectorized form, right? Just click it and just run it. And close it. So you have already got your curve number, right? This one file, you got it. Now you need to find the values for your subbasins, right? So you need to click on process toolbox, then you just need to click area weightage plugin and double click, select your subbasin input layer, then select your curve number, then select field ID, that is curve number. Okay, select your file in your folder, or you can just save it as a template file, that will create automatically. Okay, alright, so just run it. Sometimes the CRS of the input layer is graphic, so that affect the result, but you can change it, right? And just define your machine gmail.com. just defining our previous company name as we are working over there. State, country, India. Okay, then submit it. Okay, then close. Okay, so you can see your curve file has been over there. You can see open attribute. Okay, so your curve number values over here where it is curve number values, so you can calculate it your curve number. Okay, this is your effective curve number for each basin. As you can see, sub-basin 12 has curve number 87 and sub-basin has 23. All right, you can calculate it for the your basin as a curve number. Right, thank you.